Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another tutorial. But before we get into this tutorial, I would like to say happy Halloween, as I believe this video is actually coming out on Halloween. So yeah, happy Halloween. Anyway, let me show you the trick from my perspective. As you can see, this is one of those one and done tricks, so it will give you plenty of time to go out and trick or treat afterwards. So, two things before we get into this video. Going to be using the Edge Beyond for this trick tutorial, and this video is obviously sponsored by the GOATs, Go Yo-Yo UK. They probably have a Halloween sale going on, so if they do, use that QR code. Sadly, I'm not aware of it at the moment because it's September for me. If they don't, make sure to use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into just a basic trapeze and get a little chopstick going in your fingers. From here, all you're going to do is pop up, pull this through, right, pull this. So what's going to happen for this trick is you pop up and then you pull that string through, right? But it's a lot easier said than done. So here are a few ways that you can get to it. So I'd recommend starting off by just pulling this through and then popping up and landing on that string, right, like so. And that is how I would first start to learn this trick. But then, once I got that down, what I would do is I would pop up and land not into the tower, but I would just try to land in either this mount, the green triangle, maybe something like this. Basically, I would just try to land in any mount at all using this motion, just so I can get a feel for it. And then finally, once I felt confident with it, I would just try to pop up, pull through, and then land on the string you're supposed to, which will be the middle string out of those three. And yeah, that is literally the whole trick. So I'll give you a few more pointers, like for example, when pulling through, you want to like crooked it, like crook in your finger, so that you don't engage any other strings. You just want to land in that middle string. Anyway, yeah, that's the whole trick. I thought I'd keep it nice and short for you. I'll show you it one more time, and there will be slow-mos at the end, so you have a better opportunity to look at the trick and see where I'm landing. But anyway, yeah, again, trapeze, pop up and pull through, and there's the tower, and there's the bind. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, or you can message me at Kieran Can't Yo-Yo on Instagram. So yeah, peace.